Hello, random people I don't even know, and welcome back to the news. Today we have a special announcement. Someone is winning a lottery for, I think it's $1 trillion. And the special winner is... Well, I can't read this guy's name. It's the guy with the gold hair in the audience. Can you come up here to claim your $1 trillion? Woohoo! Now I can buy that condo I wanted. Almost done. Just one more panel. Finally, complete. The Shark in the Water comic is done and it's ready to be published. I better get a move on. Bring it to the convention. This is all I've ever dreamed of, being here at this huge convention. Good job, self.
I'm in a pool, and I'm cool. I heard someone say that. Let's see who it was. I'm coming.
What the heck's happening, bruh?
Hi, how are you?
La la la.
Son, where are you? Vroom, vroom, vroom. All right, people, welcome to my show. Flex those biceps, people. You got this. Feel the feel the burn. Hello. Oh, hey, Sonny, what you doing here, boy? Get off my lawn! No, old man. Oh no, I'm being controlled by a robot. Hello, my subscribers, and today I'm doing a... Well, this gets rid of it for now. My subscribers, and today I'm doing... Oh no, I'm being controlled. Well, this gets rid of it for now. Well,